Shut up and sit down.
Oh, hello and welcome from North Wales Side by Side. We're in the GR Yaris Sport today, and I was messing around last night with the key fob. I hardly ever get the key fob out of my pocket, but for some reason I was peeing around with it last night, and I found a new function on the car. My car at the moment is powered off. I'm going to show you the function. I'm going to get out of the car, lock the car with the key fob, or I can do it with that. So I've got a car here now that's totally powered off. Got the key fob in my hand, unlock the car with the key fob and keep your finger on the button. As you probably saw there, all the windows went down. I'm still out of the car, but the car's unlocked itself. I'm going to do the same, but I'm going to lock the car and hold my finger on the button. And all the windows have gone up. Didn't know I had that function. The scenario I'm going to show you here is car's off, no ignition on, none of the windows work, so I'm going to turn the car on. I've put the driver's side window down because quite often I forget I've put the window down. I turn the car off, I get out, lock my car. I forgot to lock my window. Can't be arsed getting back in the car now to power it up. Finger on the button for 2.5 seconds, power the window up. Just thought I'd share that little trick with you. If you like these type of videos, please click like, please consider subscribing to the channel. Once again, thank you for watching a North Wales Side by Side video from the GR Sport.